It's 45 degrees outside. It's April. Why are we doing this, people? It's April 14th, 2016. This is vlog number 65. It is Thursday morning, way before I ever wake up on a Thursday morning. It's 7:16 in the morning, to be exact. I am headed over to Chick-fil-A at Friendly Center, because it's the best Chick-fil-A in Greensboro, and I'm meeting some students for breakfast, so I'm pretty excited about that. The only reason that I'll wake up this early is really mostly Chick-fil-A breakfast, but also to meet students. So I'm up at very early. I'm seeing the sunrise right now, which is something that I don't see very often, so pretty cool. But yeah, 7:16. I'm tired, but I'm going to get Chick-fil-A breakfast, so I mean, all bets are off when Chick-fil-A breakfast is involved. Down Battleground at like 7:20, 7:30ish. Brings back some good old memories of when I was teaching at Grimsley. I used to just take Battleground all the way to Grimsley. It was good times. It was very early. It was more around like 6:50 that I did that. This is gonna be the vlog of Yawning. That sounds like a really weird, like, new age CD. The vlog of Yawning. Do you like a copy of the vlog of Yawning? Or maybe like a book, like a self-help book. I really need to clean the inside of my windshield. I was watching the vlog last night and seeing just how nasty it was. Here's what happened. A really long time ago, like January, I guess like a little bit of moisture got in my car, and it froze that night, but instead of freezing on the outside like where usually you have to scrape ice off, it froze on the inside of the windshield, and so I had to scrape it off from the inside. But like, when that happens, it's just like the moisture just sets in and there's no windshield wipers to move it away. So I used my glove that I had on at the time, and it made all of those watermarks. And that was January. It's now April, and I still haven't like gone about fixing it. So maybe I'm just really lazy, or like I just like don't have a garage, so I don't spend a lot of time like cleaning my car, because I have to like walk all the way outside to do it. So I'm probably lazy. Breakfast is complete. A wonderful time at breakfast. Chick-fil-A breakfast, just outstanding. I got Renee a biscuit I'm gonna bring to her because I'm a nice person, and Chick-fil-A breakfast makes everyone nice. I love getting to do stuff with our students, especially on days when I've got to like go into the office and be productive in the office, because working in youth ministry is awesome, but there's a lot of things that you have to do that like aren't just hanging out with the students. And that's like why I love doing youth ministry, and why it like makes going into work and like doing the background stuff worth it, is because of our students. So getting to like start my day off with seeing some students and getting to talk with them and really just kind of like understand what they're going through in their lives, and be able to like prepare our leaders better to deal with like real things that are happening, and not just like things that I'm like, oh yeah, those things might be happening, or like they happened when I was in high school. To know like things that are really happening with our students is just so wonderful, and it makes the day so much better when I get to like start it out or end it, or like see students at any point during that time. So that is like why I just love hanging out with our students, mostly on days when like I have to go to work and be productive on the back end of things. Just so much better knowing like, and knowing the faces and seeing them, like knowing what I'm doing it for is just, it makes it all so much worth it. I'm headed home now. It's like 9:30 and headed into the office at around 11. I'm gonna take Renee her biscuit, and then probably go change and get ready for the day. Gotta post the vlog. I almost forgot about that. Oh no. Gotta change real quick. Ready to go. I also feel like it's like my first day of school. Going to school for the first day. Got my backpack. Ready to go. Take my picture, Mom. Alright, I'm headed to work now. I tried to stop by and give Renee her chicken biscuit, but she never answered my call. And I was in sweatpants. And those are not acceptable in an office setting. Or so I've been told. So I'm gonna go try to bring her biscuit now that I'm wearing jeans and a polo shirt. I don't know. Finally got Renee her chicken biscuit. I need to get that girl an Apple Watch. Like I'm tempted to go and buy her one right now. Might happen. She just needs one. Then she gets calls and text messages. I'm gonna check into that, see how much those things are. I mean, like, I know how much they are. Obviously, I have one, but like mine was expensive, and I think they've dropped in price now. We'll see what's happening. I'll look it up. That just whole morning, I called her probably at least 45 times, I think, because at first I couldn't go into her office because I was wearing sweatpants, and like you just don't want to be the husband that comes into the office in sweatpants, you know? Like that's just not, you don't do that, because then you're looked down upon as like, you know, the sweatpants guy. And like I love sweatpants, and I felt great going on sweatpants this morning because it was like so early that everybody was wearing sweatpants. But you can't go into a professional office wearing sweatpants. And like I do stuff for the office a lot. Like I've made some videos for them and have done like a few like photography things, and so like I don't work there, but like kind of like am a contractor there, so I feel like I have to like look somewhat acceptable if I go into their office. Pre-made concrete. Wish I had that in Jamaica. Nah, it was fun making it. Alright, see you on Monday.
Bye.
It's a little chilly out today, but it still feels pretty good. I headed home for the day and don't have any plans for tonight, so that's very exciting. I like having no plans. I like just being able to kind of see where the day takes me in the afternoon, the mid-afternoon takes me. Just got home. I think I'm gonna take a quick power nap. I was up early this morning, and if I want to be awake at all tonight, I'm gonna take a quick nap. So nap sequence engage. I don't actually have a nap sequence. Whew. I took a nap and it felt really wonderful. I love naps. But I feel like I've wasted the whole day, just like I said about naps earlier. So it's about 7 o'clock now, and I'm gonna Just hang out around here, around the house. I don't have any other plans for tonight, and don't really have like something that I need to go do. So I'm gonna stay here for a little while, and probably eat some dinner and edit the vlog, and then hopefully get to sleep at a normal time. So without further ado, the vlog is over. This is funny. It says beer speaks, meeple pumble. It's like people mumble, but it says meeple pumble. Pretty funny.